If you get 3 copyright strikes, your account will be terminated. So it's important to know how not to get copyrighted on YouTube. YouTube tracks copyright infringement by using content ID matches. This allows copyright holders to easily monitor YouTube to see if someone is using copyrighted content without permission. The most common copyright strikes are based on music. So, how to put music on YouTube videos without copyright issues. Often creators don't know that they are using copyrighted music until they upload. But did you know there is a way to see if a song is copyrighted provided by YouTube itself? So log into your studio.youtube.com. In the navigation menu on the left hand side of the screen, hover over on the other features. Select audio library, then click check its copyright policy. Checking if a song might contain copyright strike before you upload is a great way on how to avoid copyright on YouTube. On the search box, you can write the name of the song that you want to check and see what it is all about in terms of copyright. So once you find a song, click on the small arrow and then appears on the left hand side is the title, and then you will see the information. As we can see, it says in which countries of the world it is allowed or not allowed to use the original song for a video or a cover. Also, it's possible that the original author of the song will be allowed to make money placing ads on your video. Alternatively, you can avoid copyright issues on YouTube by using YouTube's own audio library. You can find and download thousands of royalty-free songs from different genres. Select the Free Music tab. Click on any of the free music entries you see. You can listen and preview as well. Importantly, read about the restrictions on the music usage. In most cases, you see it's free to use in any of the songs. In some cases, you see it's free, but you need to give details in the video description and the disclaimer of some sort that it give attribution. You can search by title, genre, mood, instrument, and so on. Now you know how to put music on YouTube videos without copyright issues. So let's move on to video. Basically, for any content, there are 3 main ways in which you can avoid YouTube copyright infringement. These are, the first one is using content that is available under Creative Commons license. Second one is directly getting permission from the copyright owner. The third one is using the law of fair use in USA, known as fair dealing law in the UK. If you do not use these 3 options, it's likely that you are using someone else's copyrighted content and will be breaking the law and also YouTube's copyright rules. So if you're looking for Creative Commons license videos, I've created videos on this before where it lists websites and where you can find such Creative Commons videos. So check this out. The links are also in the description below. Using these videos, you know how to avoid copyright strikes on YouTube.